whereby they are telling they are there. So this one here, you'll be recording a video for 16 seconds. And then this one here, you'll be recording a video for 60 seconds. Here, a video for 3 minutes. That's it. So, are we all at par? Are we all at par? I think we are all at par. So, after recording your video like this, let's assume this is the content that we want to upload. So this is the video, I'm done. And I pause like this. Yeah. You just pause, you again double tapping the power. Then there is this calculus, there is this canami X that stands for closing. If you don't want that video, there is this thing tick. Akakugamba tokoleki obirizeemu. Oba oyagala like that video to egende. Otapinga kapo. Aka plus. Akatikinga. Bw'oba toyagala togendayo. Kati video yaffe yeno. I'm going to upload it. So, these features, we also need to know them, but